Virgin Galactic plans to reach space again this weekend. The company is targeting Saturday, May 22nd for the third crewed space flight of its SpaceShipTwo space plane, VSS Unity, which is designed to carry people and payloads on brief trips to suborbital space. Saturday's test mission will depart from Spaceport America in New Mexico, Virgin Galactic's commercial hub. The May 22nd test flight signals progress for plans to fly Virgin Galactic's founder, Richard Branson, this summer and eventually sign up more customers to fly to space. It is worth mentioning that the company attempted a test flight in December, but it was aborted shortly after takeoff following an engine malfunction. The test flight was rescheduled for February, but that was delayed again to May to allow more time to fix the underlying issues with the onboard computer. Investors were concerned that Virgin Galactic would postpone the test flight once again after having been postponed in February. However, the confirmation of May 22nd test flight is very promising. In reaction to this news, Virgin Galactic Holdings stock, traded on New York Stock Exchange with ticker symbol SPCE, has grown over the past week. Though at the time of making this video, the stock is still down by 23% over the past 1 month and down 27% year to date. SPCE stock is currently at about 1/3 of its 52-week high price. So if the stock was to grow back and reach its 1-year high price, that could suggest a threefold growth in terms of the stock price and in growth in your investments. Looking at annual revenue estimates for Virgin Galactic, in 2021, the company is estimated to have the annual revenue of $3.5 million, but that amount is estimated to grow to $54 million in 2022. The company currently has a market capitalization of $4.1 billion. Richard Branson will ride on the next flight after 2 tests are completed, and the commercial services will begin in 2022, with tickets costing $250,000. Celebrities like Ashton Kutcher, Leonardo DiCaprio, and Justin Bieber have bought tickets for Space Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic was founded in 2004 by billionaire Richard Branson and has continued to work towards flying paying passengers to orbit through several setbacks, including a crash that killed a test pilot and other challenges that they faced. Want to learn more about Virgin Galactic? Here's a quick overview of all you need to know about Virgin Galactic and its vision.
Virgin Galactic is a British spaceflight company within the Virgin Group. It is developing commercial spacecraft and aims to provide suborbital space flights to space tourists. The company was founded in 2004 by British entrepreneur Sir Richard Branson, who had previously founded Virgin Atlantic Airline and the Virgin Group. Virgin Galactic's mission is to use space for good while delivering an unparalleled customer experience. In December 2018, the company managed to successfully complete its first suborbital spaceflight, with 2 pilots reaching an altitude of 82.7 kilometers, officially entering outer space by US standards. Later, in February 2019, the project carried 3 people, including a passenger, with a member of the team floating within the cabin during a spaceflight that reached 89.9 kilometers, or 55.9 miles. How does the flight to space will feel like? Let me give you an idea. After 3 days of training and preparation at the Spaceport America, Virgin Galactic's astronauts will board SpaceShipTwo in the early morning, dressed in custom-fitted flight suits and fully equipped to fly. After a conventional runway takeoff, the Virgin Galactic's vehicles will climb to an altitude of 50,000 feet. At that point, the spaceship will be released from the aircraft and enter a gentle glide. Within seconds, the rocket motor will be fired and the spaceship's nose pitched to a near vertical climb. A surge of energy will produce acceleration forces and propel the spaceship to speeds approaching 3.5 times the speed of sound towards the black sky of space. At the appropriate moment, the pilots will shut off the rocket motor, immediately allowing those on board to leave their seats for several minutes of true weightlessness. The pilots will maneuver the spaceship to give the best possible views of Earth and the blackness of space. As gravity pulls the spaceship back towards the Earth's upper atmosphere, astronauts will return to their personalized, custom-designed seats, which will provide support and comfort as the air outside the spaceship thickens and the spaceship rapidly decelerates. At around 50,000 feet after the re-entry, the spaceship's wings will be returned to their normal configuration, ready for a dynamic glide back to Spaceport America for a smooth runway landing. As the newly official astronauts step out of the spaceship, they will be part of the most exclusive group of adventurers in the world and ready to join their family and friends to celebrate in true Virgin style. But how can you start your journey to space? Those who are interested should first enroll in what is called as One Small Step by paying a fully refundable registration fee of $1,000. Virgin Galactic will apply the $1,000 deposit as the price of the actual reservation in the future should you make such decision to proceed with your flight. Now, you may be wondering how much these new seats to travel to space will cost when they become available. Well, that's a great question, but before that, make sure you are ready to apply for a new loan as the price tag may well cost you an arm and a leg. While Virgin Galactic has not disclosed the exact price tag and may be able to offer a range of prices, they've indicated that they will initially be charging more than $250,000 price point, which was offered to those who signed up early. Lastly, we wanted to review how as a stock market investor you can be part of this one-of-a-kind business and have a share in the space tourism industry. By the way, if you're intrigued by the space industry and want to invest in space-related businesses but do not want to put all your eggs in one basket, you could invest in an exchange-traded fund that consists of a basket of companies in the space research field. One that I'm considering is called UFO, or Procure Space ETF. It consists of several holdings, including Virgin Galactic, which has a weightage of only about 5% in this ETF, as well as numerous other companies as part of this basket in the UFO ETF, such as Maxar Technologies, Garmin, and SiriusXM. Do you own shares of Virgin Galactic or any other space-related businesses? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I put a lot of time and effort to prepare this video, so if you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone else who might enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to Momentum channel. Here on Momentum, we post weekly videos about stock market investing and finances. Hope to see you next time.